Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Lunar Classic Update today. And the question that a lot of you may ask, and even I'm thinking, is that it's the last day of the week, and what is about to happen today, especially, and we have 16 hours on the clock to close the weekly candles, and things are looking boring actually. Not bad, not good, just boring, to be honest. And the daily, the only thing good going on with Luna Classic right now is again the regular bullish divergence. It actually keeps on appearing, it keeps on getting better and better as time passes by. You can see that the prices are still pretty much on the sideways here. The buying activity is pretty evident right now. Can it actually be that Luna Classic drops down a little bit and we see another drop like this and then go back up and then go back up? Again, that will still be okay as far as I'm concerned. So daily candles are closing good and closing bad, and then closes good and then closes bad. So previously we saw a morning star 2 days ago, and from there we made a stop loss hunt, right? People had the stop loss at the morning star here. We actually took the stop losses. And now again, you have another inverted hammer. Can it be that today you move back up again like this, make another morning star, and then start to go to the upside? That's another case. It could also be that in 16 hours, we see a huge push up all of a sudden, and we make a green closing, and then from there we start to push to the upside. That's another thing to consider as well. But the thing is that, again, it's just a market cycle. Long story short, it's simple that, yes, you're moving up and down, you're breaking above, you're going to be moving sideways and then probably go back up next. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.